WD-40 secrets mechanics don't want you to know. Almost every car owner has a can of WD-40 sitting somewhere in the garage. But here's the shocking truth. Most people use less than 10% of what it's actually capable of. Mechanics know these tricks because they use them every day, but most drivers never hear about them. Today, we're revealing 18 WD-40 hacks that can help keep your car cleaner, smoother, and save you hundreds, sometimes even thousands of dollars in unnecessary repairs. Make sure you stay until trick number 3 because it could save you a major repair bill. Let's get started. Trick 18. Clean a gunked-up gas. Your gas cap gets exposed to dirt, dust, and fuel residue every single day. Over time, all that buildup can affect how well it seals. Spray WD-40 around the threads, underneath the cap, and around the filler neck. Let it sit for about a minute, then wipe everything clean with a microfiber cloth. The WD-40 breaks down hardened grime, lubricates. It's a simple 2-minute maintenance step that most drivers completely overlook. Trick 17. Remove water spots from side mirrors. If your side mirrors always look cloudy no matter how often you wash them, mineral deposits are usually the culprit. These deposits create a hazy film that affects visibility, especially in bright sunlight or at night. Spray a small amount of WD-40 onto a microfiber cloth and gently polish the mirror surface. Within seconds, the water spots begin lifting away. After buffing the glass clean, you'll notice a clearer reflection and a smoother surface that repels water more effectively. Clear mirrors don't just look better. They help you spot vehicles around you faster and safer. Trick 16. Clean leather and vinyl seats. Leather and vinyl surfaces absorb body oils, dirt, and dust every time you drive. Over the years, they start looking dull, dry, and worn out. Instead of immediately spending money on expensive detailing products, spray a little WD-40 onto a microfiber cloth and gently wipe the surface. The grime lifts away quickly while the material regains a cleaner appearance. Pay attention to door inserts and center consoles too. These areas collect just as much dirt as the seats, but are often ignored. Regular maintenance can help keep your interior looking newer for much longer. Trick 15. Restore your tires. Even after washing your car, tires often remain dull and brown. That's because road grime, brake dust, and oxidation become embedded into the rubber. Apply WD-40 directly to the tire sidewall and spread it evenly with a cloth. You'll immediately notice the dark black finish returning. The product also helps remove stubborn road residue and leaves the tires looking freshly detailed. Many people spend money on expensive tire shine products when a quick application of WD-40 can dramatically improve appearance in minutes. Trick 14. Clean a hazy windshield. You ever noticed a greasy film on your windshield that refuses to disappear? That haze comes from road pollution, dashboard vapors, and airborne contaminants. Apply a light amount of WD-40 to a microfiber cloth and wipe the glass thoroughly. After buffing it dry, you'll remove layers of residue that ordinary glass cleaners often miss. The result is a clearer windshield and improved visibility, especially during nighttime driving when glare from headlights can become dangerous. Trick 13. Restore exhaust. Exhaust tips are constantly exposed to carbon buildup, soot, and road contaminants. Eventually, they become blackened and make the entire rear of the vehicle look neglected. Spray WD-40 generously onto the exhaust tip and allow it to soak for a minute. Then, wipe or brush away the buildup. The difference is usually dramatic. A clean exhaust tip instantly makes the vehicle look newer and better maintained. It's a small detail that has a surprisingly big impact. Trick 12. Refresh rubber floor mats. Rubber floor mats take a beating from mud, dirt, salt, and moisture. Over time, they become faded and lose their original appearance. After washing the mats, apply a light coat of WD-40 and spread it evenly across the surface. The rubber immediately looks darker and more refreshed. The protective layer also makes future cleaning easier because dirt doesn't stick as aggressively to the surface. Trick 11. Restore. Faded tail lights over time. Tail lights develop a cloudy appearance that makes your vehicle look older than it really is. The haze can also reduce how clearly your lights are seen by other drivers. Apply WD-40 to a microfiber cloth and polish the lens using circular motions. The cloudy layer begins to fade, leaving the lens looking brighter and clearer. It's one of the quickest cosmetic improvements you can make to an aging vehicle. Before we continue with the hacks that save the most money, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. We regularly share practical car tips that help drivers avoid unnecessary repair bills. Trick 10. Clean, dusty interior surfaces, your dashboard. Center console and door panels collect dust every single day. Unfortunately, many cleaning products simply move the dust around instead of removing it. Spray WD-40 onto a cloth and wipe down all interior plastic and vinyl surfaces. It traps dust, lifts grime, and leaves behind a cleaner finish. Don't forget your air vents. Dust trapped inside them gets circulated throughout the cabin every time you turn on the air conditioning. A cleaner interior not only looks better, but also creates a more pleasant driving environment. Trick 9. Protect. Your paint bird droppings, bug splatter, road tar, and tree sap constantly attack your vehicle's paint. After washing and drying your car, apply a light mist of WD-40 to a microfiber cloth and buff one panel at a time. This creates a temporary protective layer and helps contaminants release more easily during future washes. While it's not a replacement for proper wax or ceramic coatings, it can provide extra protection between major detailing sessions. Trick 8. Fix sticky seat belts. A seat belt that doesn't retract smoothly can become frustrating very quickly. Pull the belt out completely and clean it thoroughly. Apply a small amount of WD-40 where appropriate, around the mechanism and cycle the belt several times. The movement often becomes noticeably smoother as dirt and debris are loosened from the system. Seat belts are one of the most important safety components in any vehicle, so keeping them functioning properly should always be a priority. Trick 7. Fix a sluggish ignition switch. If your key feels stiff when turning the ignition, many drivers immediately assume an expensive repair is coming. Before spending money, try spraying a small amount of WD-40 into the key slot. Insert the key and turn it back and forth several times. The lubricant helps loosen dirt and old residue that may be interfering with smooth operation. Many ignition problems begin as simple contamination issues rather than mechanical failures. Trick 6. Silence a squealing serpentine. Belt nothing attracts attention faster than a loud squealing belt when starting your vehicle. A belt can squeal because of dirt, moisture, glazing, or wear. Applying a light amount of WD-40 can help identify whether contamination is contributing to the noise. If the sound disappears temporarily, you've learned valuable information about the source of the problem. Always inspect the belt for cracks or damage. A worn belt should be replaced regardless of whether the noise goes away. Trick 5. Free up stiff window tracks. If your windows move slowly or make grinding noises, dirty tracks are often the reason. Lower the window halfway and spray WD-40 into the tracks on both sides. Operate the window several times to distribute the lubricant. The difference is often immediate. The glass moves more smoothly and puts less strain on the window regulator. This quick maintenance step can help extend the life of your power window system. Trick 4. Free a stuck side. Mirror power mirrors often stop adjusting smoothly because dirt and moisture build up inside the pivot points. Spray WD-40 around the mirror, housing and adjustment joints. Allow it to penetrate for a minute. Before operating the mirror again, many mirrors return to smooth movement almost instantly. This simple fix can save you from replacing parts that aren't actually broken. Trick 3. Unstick a seized parking brake cable. This is the trick that surprises most drivers. A parking brake cable can become seized due to corrosion and moisture. When that happens, the brake may refuse to release properly. Locate the exposed cable sections underneath the vehicle and apply WD-40 generously. Allow it to soak into the affected areas before cycling the parking brake several times. In many cases, the lubricant helps free the cable and restore movement. Considering that parking brake repairs can become expensive very quickly, this simple maintenance trick is worth knowing. Trick 2. Clean your mass air flow sensor. If your vehicle feels sluggish, idles roughly, or experiences poor fuel economy, the mass airflow sensor could be dirty. Carefully remove the sensor and inspect it. Cleaning contamination from the sensing elements may restore performance and improve engine operation. Many drivers replace sensors unnecessarily when a cleaning procedure could have solved the problem. Always ensure the sensor is completely dry before reinstalling it. Trick 1. Restore your front grille. Your front grille is the face of your vehicle. Unfortunately, it's also the first place where bugs, road grime, and debris accumulate. Spray WD-40 across the grille surface and allow it to sit briefly. Use a detailing brush to loosen debris before wiping everything clean. The transformation is immediate. The grille looks darker, cleaner, and much more aggressive. A clean front grille dramatically improves your vehicle's overall appearance because it's one of the first things people notice. And there, you have it. 18 WD-40 tricks that can help keep your vehicle cleaner, smoother, and better maintained. Which one surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want even more car-saving tips that could save you hundreds in repair costs, make sure to watch our next video. Your wallet will thank you.